Hi guys and welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about one of the most useful portals or software that I found when I was working as an IT technician, and that's called Ninite. Ninite is basically a portal where you can download free software, so anything that doesn't need a license, and they will help you, especially if you've just reset or reinstalled an operating system and you need to go through the list of requirements from a user or like requirements for yourself. So let's see how it works. First, you open the browser and just go to ninite.com. You'll see once it loads, you see a list of software. Everything is split in different categories, from web browsers to compression tools or media or even developer tools that you might need. So let's go ahead and just select a few just for purpose of demo. So I'm going to select 7-zip and maybe Discord, and let's do Dropbox as well. Right? You can select any of them. You can select all of them if you want, and then the only thing that you need to do is just scroll down and click Get Your Ninite. So Ninite is going to go ahead and it's going to download the executable. Click on that. It's going to prepare the setup now. So basically it's going to look for the software. Once it found it, it's going to start downloading it and installing it. That was really quick for 7-zip. It's just a few megabytes. Same for Discord. It's just download it now one by one. Then it's going to move to Dropbox and it's going to install it. So you can see the progress here. You don't need to actually do anything else. You don't need to click next on wizard. You don't need to go through each individual software. So basically you can just select a list of software from the list there, click the install or the download button, and then Ninite is going to do basically everything in the background. In the meantime, you can work on other things on the setup. So especially if you set up a new device for a new user in the business, it's going to save you so much time. It's really simple to use. In case that you don't find anything here in Ninite, obviously you can just go and download it directly. But I would say that most of the software that users need, or even you, if it's a browser, if it's developer tools, like you can install anything from Ninite. Yeah. So let's see. Once Dropbox is installed, see, he's not asking me for anything. If I would be to download it from directly from their website, it's probably gonna take me like 20 clicks, and I have to fill up different things or like go through different steps when I want to do it. So, but yeah, now it's just basically a silent install. So let's wait for this to finish. Okay, as you can see, the installer finished now. The status is okay for all three of them, so you can easily just double check that. Let's just search for Discord. So we have the Discord app here installed. Let's search for Dropbox as well. So I can click on start. We actually can see there installed. So the latest one was, the recent one was Discord and Dropbox. Yeah, so this is how it basically Ninite works. You don't need to do anything. I think it's one of the most simple ways to install loads of software, especially like I said, after you've just reinstalled your operating system, or if you're just preparing a new laptop or a new desktop for one of your users. Okay, I hope this video is helpful, and I wish to see you in the next videos. All the best.